case. Red wire is power or speed limit. Please try to find the ignition on wire in the vehicle. When ignition is on, the light becomes on. Then connect the wire to a red power wire. Black wire is ground. Please connect to GND of the vehicle. Yellow wire is speed signal. If the vehicle has speed cable, you may connect it to the speed cable of the vehicle. Brown wire is speed control. Please find the power wire of injector pump or fuel pump. Top up the power wire of injector pump or fuel pump and connect the speed limited brown wire to one side of the power that goes to the pump. And the other pump, it can be connected to speed limited red power wire or tape it well. Then connect the wire and GPS antenna to the device. GPS antenna should be put in the open air to get a signal. After installation, please type in vehicle details and preset maximum speed. Double-click servo speed limiter for installation. Please remember to plug your USB flash into your laptop before typing in vehicle details. After finishing the details, then click Write Configuration File. A product file will be created automatically in USB flash. If you want to type in information for different vehicles, you may also open the product file in Notepad format directly and revise the parameter. Save it. Remove the USB flash and then plug it into the device. After the alarm beep for several times, please remove it. After that, the finished vehicle details and maximum speed has been set in the device already. When we drive away for a distance, it may record the speed and checking information. Plug the USB flash into the device, and it will alarm beep for several times between several seconds and 2 minutes. Remove the flash. The more data, the more time it will take for downloading the data. Plug in USB flash and view the report in Notepad format in our laptop. Or we can view the report in Sabon software. Mileage report, speed report, data and time, graph, and view the checking in Google Maps. You may view the checking in map or satellite. And export the report in PDF format for printing and storage. It will show mileage report, speed report, data and time, and other details. If the device does not come with GPS antenna, please calibrate the speed and preset the maximum speed by calibrator. Plug in the display screen. Press speed to set the maximum speed. Plus means increase and minus discrete speed. And press OK for confirmation. If the device comes with GPS antenna, then there is no need to calibrate. If the device does not come with GPS antenna, please press calibrate when driving at 30 km. After installation, press OK for about 10 seconds. The engine will go off gradually. That means the installation is successful. And the extension USB cable will be good for hiding the device and downloading the report. Installation for all charts. Please connect the solenoid valve to the hose between air cleaner and injector pump. Please connect yellow wire of solenoid valve to G and D, and blue wire to blue wire of speed limited device. Thank you a lot for choosing SAVO.